Freelancers spend an average of 3 hours per week on invoicing. A well-built Excel template cuts that to 5 minutes per invoice. We design a clean, professional layout with company logo, address block, invoice number, and date fields. Proper cell merging and alignment create a document that looks like it came from dedicated invoicing software. A structured line items section calculates subtotals per line, applies tax rates, handles discounts, and sums to a total. The formula logic handles blank rows gracefully, so in used lines don't show zeros. The settings area lets you switch currencies and tax rates. The template auto-formats all amounts in the selected currency and recalculates tax using the current rate. Multi-currency support for international freelancers. I build the complete invoice template, fill in a sample invoice, and demonstrate the PDF export workflow. The final product is indistinguishable from a paid invoicing tool. Download the free invoice template from the description and get paid faster with professional invoices. Subscribe for more Excel business tools.